Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bella. So, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I am your girl Bella. So I've been MIA from YouTube for about a week or so because I've been crazy busy, and I wanted to show you guys what exactly on earth do I do and why I have been missing. So, anyways, first off, you're gonna have to forgive my appearance. I am not wearing any makeup whatsoever except for gloss and a little bit of mascara. So guys, some of you know this and some of you don't know this about me. But yes, I'm actually an interior designer. I'm not an interior decorator. I'm a designer. So I design and design homes for a living, and I work on construction sites most of the time because I am the type of designer that coordinates with the trades. So I from the ground up. So I pick like the tiles, the wall finishes, the ceiling features, the stonework on the outside of the houses. I don't do landscaping. I do all the lighting and all that kind of stuff. And at the moment, I have two giant projects that take up a lot of my time, which is fantastic. I mean, I absolutely love what I do. I am here at one of the houses right now. I'm going to turn the camera around and I'll give you a tour of what I do and what's going on in this job site. It's moving along. Really excited. The drywall's been done, so it's really nice now to see it. So let's get out of the car and go show you what I do. Okay, guys, so this is the front of one of my houses. The front of the house, it looks really great. So I did choose all the stonework. In this house, we did stone in the front, and I picked all the windows and the doors and the trim and all that stuff. And as you can see there on one of the columns, we're just in the middle of trying to pick a stain. We originally had one idea, and then we had another one. So it's still missing its eaves troughs and the fascia and stuff like that, but it's coming along nicely. This week we're gonna have all this wood stained, and it's actually gonna get stained a solid color because I wasn't happy with that stain there. So yeah, so that's the front. So let's go inside, you can see the rest. Okay, so we're inside. This here is gonna be the client's formal dining room, and this is gonna be her ceiling. Oh my God, this client is a doll to work with. Anyways, this is the beginning of this dining room ceiling, and this is gonna be her formal dining room. Over here, so that's when you walk in, this is what you see. And right now the stairs have been delivered for the basement and all kinds of things. On this side here is gonna be the office, and here's the powder room. And then you walk ahead, and this is gonna be their formal living room. It's gonna be a big giant fireplace there, and then this is Crawford ceiling detail that I have going on there. Like, guys, you're gonna have to excuse the lighting, but we are in a construction site. So right here is gonna be this spectacular kitchen. Here's gonna be your refrigerators, and wait till I show you that because it's to die for. And then here's gonna be all cabinets, and we're gonna have a giant island. So what I picked so far is a white kitchen with a gray island, and there you can see her back deck there. There will be a kitchen table here with a really nice chandelier. But let me show you, and then here you go up to the bedrooms, it's really dark up there, so I don't know if I'm gonna go up there today, but I'll show it to you. Okay, so when you walk in this side, there's another door there, a side entrance. This is gonna be her mom's in-law suite. So when you walk up those little stairs there, you come into this is her hallway closet for her mother. And here is gonna be a little kitchen vignette with an island because it fits it, and a fireplace over there, and then it's gonna be like her little living room. And then if you turn this way and you go straight down this hallway, we have a bathroom. This is gonna be the mother-in-law's little master bath. It's got a shower and tub, and it's gonna have a vanity with a makeup area and toilet. And it's a really nice room actually. And here is gonna be the mom's master bedroom. I know the job site's like really kind of dirty and stuff, but yeah, so this is gonna be the mom's master bedroom. It's gonna be quite beautiful. She's got also a walk-in closet and stuff like that. Let's see if I can take you upstairs and see how dark. So anyways, as I was saying, so my job here on the job site is really picking the finishes, making sure that the design matches the client's lifestyle and stuff like that. So I really work hand in hand with the clients to like pick out the tiles and finishes like that. I dictate where walls go and how things get framed out, what kind of staircases go into the house and stuff like that. So that is my job. That is what I do, and I love it so much. I absolutely love construction sites. So yeah, so let's go upstairs and see what we get. So here doesn't look like much because we're in the hallway, and right here is going to be the laundry room, a big linen closet. And here is the client's master bedroom. And I know it's really loud because they're working. Okay, so right now we're outside on their deck. This is gonna be fantastic. This is gonna be an all glass and black metal rails. And we got a giant cedar post here and a tongue and groove pine ceiling, which is gonna be amazing. But on the floor here and on the walls, we're actually using this brand new material. Oh, you see me, hey? This brand new material. It's a waterproof membrane that actually looks like an agate stone and stuff like that. So yeah, so here's another view of inside. There's also a fireplace going here. They have two giant walk-in closets. I'm gonna take you to the bathroom and see what the guys are working there. So this is gonna be her son's bedroom. There's son's bathroom in there, a huge walk-in closet, and they only have one little voice. And what they decided to do is a gaming room here. She's got a huge storage closet right here, and this is gonna be a gaming room. They gotta clean up this job site, like it's pretty bad today. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. This is part one. I wanted to show you guys this now in part one, and when we move along, I'll show you the rest. Okay guys, actually I did forget this part here. So here is, this is gonna be their garage. And when you turn around here, I'm actually standing in the mudroom. There's gonna be giant cabinets and a bench seating with tongue and groove, and it's gonna look really nice. And then over here is the pool bathroom. It's gonna be a full bathroom with a shower and a toilet and vanity and stuff, and that's their bathroom. And you could see their outdoor. Oh my god, their outdoor is gonna be so beautiful. The guys just actually finished staining. It looks pretty good. I think it's coming out really nice. I'm really happy with the stain. And this is all a big giant patio, but I'll show you that another day. Okay, so that is it. That is the end of the video. Yeah, I said that before, but I guess I wanted to show you guys one more thing. So that is what I do for a living. And this is the house. And I am so in love with it. I cannot wait till it's done. I have a lot more work to do. There's a ton of stuff to pick, but I think it looks really, really good. And my client is awesome. She's amazing to work with. And yeah, and some, you know, I mean, there's obviously been some hiccups and stuff, but all in all, I think it's turning out really good. I'm really, really excited, and we are going to try and get this client to move in by hopefully October. So we shall see. Anyways, bye guys.